Hello friends, out here today at 910 Meadow Lane in Fort Walton Beach. That's 32547. Cutie home for you here. As you can see, take a little twirl about the neighborhood. It's quiet. We have a one-car garage. So you can see we got a bay window. Got a new metal roof. A few newbies to behold. So let's take a look inside. This home was built in 1984. Welcoming little foyer here to the left is your kitchen. With those bay windows we witnessed outside. Got pantry. Smooth surface stove. Lots of natural light. Check out the cathedral ceilings in the living room. That extra transom window up top for more natural light to pour in. We've got beams. New LVP flooring. New paint throughout. Fireplace. Up to the kitchen. Let's take a peek up real quick. Our beams. Very cool. Very neutral. Programmable thermostat. Updated bathrooms. Here's our first. So we're sitting at 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths in the primary home. Which, hint, hint, that should mean there is an additional structure out here we will take a look at. But the primary structure does sit at a square footage of 1388. And master with the vaults on the ceiling. Big windows. Overlooking the backyard, pocket door to the master bathroom. Got some updates all its own. Tiled shower, floor to ceiling, and walk-in. Mobility access. Acreage sits at 0.21. Backyard. Slider door, super smooth. We love that. So here's our backyard. We've got a patio pad, the length of the home. Bring your dining set, your conversation set, your grill, the whole shebang. Peek from another angle. Privacy fence on both sides. Got the whole house generator that's newly installed. And chain link towards the greenscape in the back. Outdoor shower here attached to the guest house. Plumbed in, ready for a water heater. Let's take a look inside, see what we've got going on. Quite cool. These spaces have also seen a fresh coat of paint. and being thoroughly cleaned. Door we enter here, I am told this room was used as the sleeping area previously. And then the larger space was used as a living. And that there is plenty of room for a kitchenette scenario to be set up with the other wall unit there, sink, and half bath. Certainly could be used as an apartment with income potential, short-term rental. Or simply guest home. Right, this cutie patootie again for you. 910 Meadow Lane in Fort Walton Beach, Florida 32547. Y'all come take a look.